Hi, I'm Ian from Bobcat Australia, here in Stroud, New South Wales, to have a chat to John Balfour, a local poultry farmer who's recently introduced the Bobcat TL30.60 telescopic handler into his operation. The TL30.60 was perfect for John for two main reasons. The low 2.1 metre cab height made getting in and out of the shed significantly easier, but also the large 6 metre extendable boom with a 3-tonne lift capacity made loading and unloading trucks significantly quicker. John's TL30.60 is predominantly used across his chicken sheds for cleanouts and to also help load and unload trucks for the eggs once ready for delivery. The TL30.60 boasts a high visibility cab with 360-degree views. It has an air-ride seat, adjustable steering column and an ergonomic loader control. Another advantage of the TL30.60 specific to poultry farmers is its manoeuvrability. It has 3 drive modes, 2-wheel steer, 4-wheel steer and crab mode, making clean out significantly quicker and easier. So let's have a quick chat to John now about his experience so far with the Bobcat TL30.60.
My name is John Balfour from Stroud Poultry. We own this poultry farm just here. This is the machine we bought, the TL30.6. We bought that mainly for clean out and for the transportation of the eggs after the birds have laid. Bobcat 3060, we replaced the forklift with it. We used to have a forklift we used to load the trucks with. It's now gone, so it's saved on rental there. We also needed to get the litter out of the shed, so it's one machine fits all, and that's a perfect machine to do it. It's small enough to get in and down there with a nice big bucket to load the semi-trailers when they come in. Recently we've used it a lot. Done 10-hour days and it's handled it quite well. But during the batch, we don't use it that often, probably 3 to 4 times a week, and it's only to load trucks. It's done a good job so far.
If you have any other questions about the Bobcat Telehandler range, head on into your local dealer or visit bobcatofaustralia.com.au.